Alright, back again, and in this tutorial we will resume from previous tutorial where we were looking the effect of adjusting camera rightly, and this was our previous method of adjust camera. We will sack this and uh, we will comment it a little bit and write it bit better in the name of this camera, which is doing things pretty simply. It's storing the previous value of friends number before updating, then it's updating the friends from the global singleton friends number, then it's logging it, and then it's calculating the change of friends with the name delta friends. And if it is zero and moving backwards, then don't move the camera. That is, if it's negative, that these are basically boundary conditions, and we will simply only do the operation of moving the camera back based on the number of new friends. So now to play this, we gotta look for the this our player, and now when we play, tap to run. When it passes to +10, this was previous position, this was new position, and now if we move to -10, let's see what happens. So this is our new position 10, and this is our previous position. This is our new position -10, and this is our new position minus 20. And now you can see the camera remains fine. And if we increase the size from here to show you that it's working fine, simply we will give the value of 200, and for this to be -100. So now when we play it, so we took the +100 and the camera went back, and now when we will take -10, what will happen is camera will move near. Camera went moved up a lot nearer than expected, and now when we go to -10, it won't change. So this is what we wanted, and this is what has happened. So to address this further, to solve this further, what we can do is instead of using this method, adjust camera, we will make another method. Again, this is to show you multiple methods we can do the same thing. Adjust camera final, let's call it final, and we'll call it here like this, and this. Plus what we can do is we can simply calculate the tutorial.singleton game object is equal instead of doing this adjusting this friends number. What we can do is simply add it like this. So plus is equal to this thing. So now we have net friends. Now we have net friends, and same we will do for the other one. And now when we go here, adjust camera on final, and here instead of delta friends we can simply pass the singleton value, which is total friends, this one. So simply we will go here and type it like this, and now when we play it, result will be same. Excuse me. So now when we play it at the plus 10, the camera will go back like this, and when we take minus 10, camera will come near. So camera came near a bit. Okay, so camera didn't came near because it didn't register changes, but now if we take the minus 10 here, now the camera will come near. So why the camera didn't came near? It's pretty simple. It didn't detect it. It detected the change in friend's number. So to address this has to be much clearer than previous implementations. So to make it more clear, we will look out for things such as we will try to address why camera didn't came back. Okay, so we will try to address why camera didn't came back in first minus 10 wall passing. So questionnaire passing. So why didn't happen is because we were doing additions like this, and we will simply change it to something like this. And now if you see